This girl has a shopping addiction. She loves to buy clothes, school supplies and electronics. If she's not shopping in stores, she's shopping online. She even considers shopping as her hobby. Because she shops so much, her house was getting cluttered. Her mom and dad restricted her access to money by closing her debit and credit card accounts. They also stopped giving her allowance. But this did not stop Janet from shopping. In fact, things got even worse. Janet often shops when she's sad because she feels like shopping gives her power. She would go into the fitting room and put the clothes in her bag. Fitting rooms do not have surveillance cameras, so that's why she could get away with it. School supplies were even easier to steal. Janet would just look around and put the pens in her pocket. She started shoplifting. Electronics were difficult to steal, so she never tried. But one day Janet saw a necklace she liked. So as usual, she went to the fitting room and placed it in her bag. When she exited the store, the alarm went off. Janet was shocked because that had never happened to her before. An employee checked her bag and pulled out the necklace from her bag. It turned out that there was a security tag on it.